Namaste, I am Joy Dhyanam. In this video, I will share with you sun salutation benefits and limitation. I will tell you why and why you should not do Surya Namaskar. So stay tuned and let's start our video. Surya Namaskar benefits us in many ways. First of all, it is a sequence of 12 yoga asanas which synchronizes our body, breath and mind in harmony. Sun salutation is a perfect warm-up for the whole body. It increases our blood circulation, which helps to avoid injuries in the other yoga practices. The good circulation of the blood helps to have a healthy skin, healthy hair growth as well. Surya Namaskar improves our muscle strength and endurance. It stretches the body, the muscles and the spine, which improves the flexibility of the body and helps the muscles and the joints to get rid of the stiffness. Surya Namaskar improves our metabolic rate, which is good for the weight management. It frees us from the lethargy, laziness and oversleepiness. Basically makes us active. The sun salutation improves our cardiovascular health. It keeps us away from heart problems. Good heart. Surya Namaskar, it works on our solar plexus, which improves our nervous system. And if our nervous system is good, it improves our memory power, focus, concentration, and many other benefits to have a good nervous system. It massages the internal organs such as stomach, spleen, intestines and liver, which improves the digestion and cure constipation. Sun salutation helps to give a good posture to the body and balance. And the last benefit, but not the least, it makes us emotionally stable and strong, because we start our day with gratitude in our heart towards the sun that gives us essential life energy every day. So we start our day with the gratitude to the sun, and it heals our emotional health also. It makes us stable inside to start our day, to do things that we need to do in the day with the good inner strength and outer stability and strength as well. So Surya Namaskar is very beneficial. Now let's talk about sun salutation limitations. Why you should not do sun salutation or Surya Namaskar. Those who have slip disc or sciatica, or who have the back pain, they should avoid the sun salutation. Those who had hernia problem, any stomach injury, should also avoid sun salutation. And if you have fever, it's better you don't do sun salutation that day. Get well first and then start your practice. If you have any heart related problems, if you have very high uncontrolled blood pressure, if you had any heart surgery or any stroke, avoid sun salutation. And if you are pregnant more than 3 months, it's better, because it will bring pressure on the belly, to avoid sun salutation. And in menstruation also, in initial days you can avoid, first 2 days or 3 days maximum you can avoid sun salutation, because it brings pressure here on the abdomen. Rest is all good, and if you, for example, you are doing the sun salutation, if you feel any inflammation in the body or pain, you can stop your practice and just lie down in savasana. This is all. Otherwise, if you are not having these issues, enjoy sun salutation. It is very good for our body health, for the entire body. Yeah, enjoy your practice. And if you don't know how to do sun salutation, I will link the practice in the coming video here in the left corner. Just subscribe to my channel before, because the practice is not there yet. It will come up next. So subscribe to my channel and share your views. If you know any other benefit or limitation of Surya Namaskar in the comments, and how did you like my video. So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.